We were an early adopter to the inventory system, and the reason that we were is because there was no other solution, and we have tried many in the marketplace that we felt really fit the bill. We really didn't see where it was saving us time and energy.
And right now we've got the inventory side where the drug gets in. We know who takes it out of the cabinet. We know where it gets assigned, and we know where our drug is at all time in the clinic, and that's huge. So it's cut down on errors. It's cut down probably half of a full-time equivalent. Once we get the next tie-in and completely automate it, we have one full-time equivalent that we can use elsewhere in the clinic.
How it works is they each have a badge, their own badge, and they'll come and they'll swipe the badge and then open the refrigerator and take whatever drug they need for the next patient out, and then they'll close the refrigerator. It is very accurate now. It took a little bit of testing, getting back and forth about the sensitivity, but once you get the sensitivity down, it counts great and saves us a bunch of time.
The first time they plugged that unit in, we had a perfect count, first time. Not in one office, but we had it in 7 offices.
We all face the difficulties of inventorying all of our pharmaceuticals. We all have staff that have to sit and label, that have to put their inventory into different systems, move them to different satellites. And having a cabinet system that's going to track it from start to finish is going to really reduce the workload for our staff.
It would take 2 to 4 hours each day in this office to put in all the drugs and the inventory count. It would take anywhere from a full day in our remote offices per week.
Techs love it because in the evenings it saves them from having to count all the drugs each night. They'll just go and look at the US Retina Cloud website and see what their count is for the day. And they start every morning by looking in the morning, writing down the numbers, and then getting their ending count. And then they'll look and make sure that whatever is gone from the refrigerator they've billed for.
It works very well, and what's really nice about it, it is monitored where we can actually go online and look at if our refrigerator is dropping below a certain level or if it's going above a certain level. So we're able to keep track of what the temperatures are in the cabinet along with the drug count in the cabinets.
The moment you take a drug out of, the moment you stick it in the fridge and you take it out, and the fact that your inventory count is 100% accurate and there's no question is, like how many Lucentis do I have right now, or whatever med you're looking for, that is huge.
I would say this is something that every practice really needs to try because of the benefits that you get out of this, the accuracy that it's actually proven to us that it can do and shown just makes all the difference.
Yeah, I think the US Retina system is more complete. It ties in with your whole EMR, and it's really got an advantage in scanning and being able to really dovetail. It does the consents, it does the chronic disease forms. It's really an all-inclusive thing, and we're just now scratching the surface. There's a lot of different places we can go with it. Yeah, it's evolving.
I would definitely consider getting the cabinet. It just saves a lot of time, and even putting the drugs into it, you just simply get the drug and scan it in, and you can put your lot number in there, and it keeps track of that too. It also identifies what's coming up as expiring, and so that's a nice feature. You can go have a manager out there every day just making sure nothing's going to expire in the cabinet.
You know what? I welcome them to come out and take a look. If they really want to see what it's doing and to see it in action, I'd be more than happy to show them the product and show them how we've managed that within our practice.